Welcome to English Daily Hub, the channel where you improve your English every single day. I warmly welcome you to another brand new video. Today's topic is going to be very interesting and extremely useful for your English journey, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Have you ever felt like learning English is just too hard? Maybe you've tried before and it felt like nothing was working. Maybe you even thought, I'll never get it right. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Everyone who learns English struggles at some point. Even people who speak it every day make mistakes. The difference between someone who succeeds and someone who gives up is not talent, it's mindset. It's believing in yourself even when it feels impossible. When I first started learning English, I remember feeling frustrated. I couldn't speak a full sentence without pausing, forgetting words, or making grammar mistakes. It was discouraging. But then I realized something important. Every mistake I made was not a failure, was a step forward. Each time I tried, even when I stumbled, I was learning. Slowly, day by day, I began to improve. My speaking got clearer, my confidence grew, and I realized that giving up would only stop that progress. Believing in yourself is the first step. It's easy to compare yourself to others who seem fluent or confident. But your journey is yours alone, and progress doesn't happen overnight. Even small efforts matter. Speaking just a few sentences a day, listening to English videos for 10 minutes, or reading one paragraph can change everything over time. The key is to keep going, even when it feels uncomfortable. Another secret is to embrace mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, proof that you are moving forward. Instead of feeling embarrassed, celebrate every attempt. Say to yourself, I spoke in English today. That is a win. This mindset shifts your focus from fear to growth. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about confidence, communication, and opening doors to new opportunities. Imagine being able to talk to people from around the world, understanding movies without subtitles, or writing emails confidently. All of this starts with one decision: never give up. So today, take one small step. Speak a sentence in English, even if it's imperfect. Try again tomorrow. Keep showing up, keep believing in yourself, and soon you will see the results. Comment below your biggest challenge in English, and let's overcome it together. Your journey is worth it, and your future self will thank you for not giving up. Learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Many people think they need to study for hours, memorize long lists of words, or speak fluently right away. But the truth is, small steps every day create big results. Over time, even just 10 minutes of practice daily can change your English skills completely in a few months. The key is consistency. Think of learning English like watering a plant. Don't pour all the water at once and expect it to grow overnight. You water it a little every day, and slowly, it becomes strong and healthy. Your English works the same way. Small, daily efforts add up, And before you know it, you will see real progress start with things that are easy and fun. Listen to a short English podcast or a YouTube video every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just try to catch a few words or sentences. Writing a few sentences about your day in English can also make a huge difference. Even speaking to yourself in front of a mirror is powerful. It may feel strange at first, but it builds confidence and trains your mind to think in English. The most important thing is not to compare yourself to others. Okay. Everyone learns at their own pace. Okay. Some people may speak faster, some may understand grammar better, but your journey is unique. Celebrate your own progress, no matter how small it seems. Speaking one sentence correctly today is already a success. Consistency also means building habits. Choose a time every day when you focus on English, even if it's just 10 minutes. Make it part of your routine. Over time, this small habit will become natural, and you will be surprised at how much your English improves. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes show that you are learning and pushing yourself. Every time you speak or write in English, you are growing. The more consistent you are, the faster your confidence and skills will grow. So start today. Listen to something, write a few lines, speak a little, and keep going tomorrow. Share your daily step in the comments and inspire others. Remember, your small efforts today are building the strong English skills of tomorrow. Keep showing up, keep learning, and never give up. Because your journey is worth every single step. Every small victory in learning English matters. Even speaking just one sentence correctly today is a win. Many learners forget to celebrate themselves, focusing only on mistakes or how far they have to go. But learning English is not just about grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. It's about confidence, communication, and opening doors to opportunities you never imagined. Every effort you make is shaping your future, and it deserves recognition. Patience is the key. Progress doesn't happen overnight. You won't suddenly speak fluently after 1 week of practice, and that's completely normal. The most successful learners are the ones who understand that learning is a journey. They embrace the small steps, knowing that every day of practice is moving them closer to their goals. Imagine looking back a few months from now and realizing how much your English has improved. That feeling of achievement will make all the effort worth it. Rewarding your progress helps your motivation. Keep a journal of your daily English practice and note down every sentence, new word, or phrase you learned. When you look back, you'll see that even small improvements add up to huge growth. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small it seems. Speak to a friend in English for the first time. Finish a video without subtitles or write your first paragraph confidently. These moments are victories and they deserve recognition. Surround yourself with positivity. Join communities, follow channels, or make friends who encourage your learning. When you see others growing alongside you, it boosts your motivation and reminds you that learning English is a shared journey. You're not alone, and support can make even difficult days easier. remember to be kind to yourself. Don't focus only on mistakes. Celebrate your courage for trying, your dedication for showing up, and your consistency for not giving up. Every small effort is a step forward. The journey may be long, but each step brings you closer to your goal. So take a moment today to recognize your progress. Speak that sentence, write that paragraph, listen to that video, and smile at your achievements. Your journey is unique, and your dedication is creating results, even if you don't see them immediately. Keep going, stay patient, celebrate every success, and never give up. Your future self will thank you for every step you take today. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Keep showing up, believe in yourself, and celebrate every small victory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to English Daily Hub for more powerful English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.